Morning all. So today's project is on the side elevation of the cottage. All the front at the top two lifts have been done, they're all completed. So that's what we're up to today, is that stretch there. So I'm going to get as high as I can with that today. If I can get 3/4 from the top of those eaves, that'd be really good. Those joists. It's crap anyway, but it's cutting through. This is just rock hard, this stuff. Absolutely rock hard. I know it looks like it just pop out, but it's on this side of the building for some reason. It is in there. So yeah, no, okay. So say morning, Peter.
Morning, George.
Can't keep up with the man. Different name every day. So with further ado, I'll see you in a bit.